AI 2030, adapt or get left behind. They told you AI would make life easier, right? And yeah, it will. But what they didn't tell you is by 2030, AI won't just change jobs, it'll rewrite entire industries. Like straight up rewrite the rules. And if you're not ready, you could be left behind watching the world move on without you. Think about your daily life right now. You ask your phone for directions. Netflix knows what you want to binge watch before you do. Your bank spots fraud before you even notice. That's AI, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. By 2030, AI won't be a tool. It'll be the invisible hand shaping everything, from how you work to how you think. So today, we're breaking down exactly what's coming, and how to not just survive but thrive in the age of AI. We're talking about how to not get replaced by a machine. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. The AI revolution, it's already here. We're not talking about some distant future here, people. AI is already changing the game in ways you might not even realize. Let's start with healthcare. Imagine AI doctors diagnosing diseases before symptoms even appear. Think wearables that can predict heart attacks. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's already happening. In 2023, an AI actually detected a rare cancer months before human doctors. Months. By 2030, your annual checkup might be an AI scan, giving you a full health report before you even leave the house. And get this, AI is even changing the way we eat. We're talking lab-grown meat designed by AI, engineered for taste and nutrition. Restaurants where robots cook your meal exactly to your liking, personalized just for you. Now before you think, there goes the chef's job, think again. This isn't about replacing chefs, it's about chefs working with AI to invent dishes humans couldn't even dream up. It's about pushing the boundaries of what food can be. And what about entertainment? Imagine movies written and acted by AI, generating entire worlds and characters with the click of a button. YouTube channels like this one, fully automated, creating content tailored to exactly what you want to see. Your favorite influencer might be a digital avatar, more lifelike than you can imagine, interacting with you in real time. This isn't the future, guys. This is happening right now. Jobs and money, the great reshuffle. In today's rapidly evolving world, the landscape of employment is undergoing a seismic shift. This phenomenon, often referred to as the great reshuffle, is reshaping how we think about work, money, and our future. Okay, so AI is changing everything. From the way we communicate to how we manufacture goods, artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this transformation. It's not just a buzzword, it's a reality that's here to stay. But the big question is, what happens to our jobs? As AI continues to advance, many people are understandably worried about their job security. Will there be enough work to go around, or will machines take over entirely? Now let's be real, some jobs are going to disappear. It's an inevitable part of progress. Industries that rely heavily on routine tasks are particularly vulnerable. Routine jobs, things like accounting, data entry, even some types of coding, those are prime targets for automation. But don't panic yet. While it's true that these roles are at risk, it's also true that new opportunities are emerging. Just like the Industrial Revolution created new jobs, so will the AI revolution. History has shown us that technological advancements often lead to the creation of entirely new industries and job categories. We're going to see a surge in demand for AI trainers, people who can teach these machines how to think. These roles will be crucial in ensuring that AI systems are effective and ethical. Virtual world designers, creating immersive digital experiences. As our digital and physical worlds continue to merge, the demand for creative professionals who can build these experiences will skyrocket. The catch? These jobs require AI fluency. It's not enough to just understand the basics. You need to be proficient in the language of the machines. You need to speak the language of the machines. This means investing time and effort into learning new skills, whether through formal education or self-study. And that's where the opportunity lies. For those willing to adapt and learn, the future is full of potential. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, thanks to the democratizing power of technology. Entrepreneurship is going to be huge in the age of AI. Imagine the possibilities when you can leverage AI to streamline operations, reduce costs, and innovate like never before. Imagine starting $1 million e-commerce store with 0 employees. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. AI tools are enabling individuals to run entire businesses single-handedly. Just you and AI tools handling everything from ads and customer service to product design. The efficiency and scalability that AI offers are unprecedented. AI is going to be the great equalizer, giving anyone with the right skills the power to build something from nothing. It's a tool that can level the playing field, allowing small players to compete with industry giants. But there's another side to this we need to talk about: universal basic income, or UBI. As automation increases, the concept of UBI is gaining traction as a potential solution to widespread job displacement. With mass unemployment on the horizon, some governments are considering paying people just to exist. The idea is to provide a safety net that ensures everyone can meet their basic needs. Now, on the surface, free money sounds pretty sweet, right? Who wouldn't want a guaranteed income without having to work for it? But here's the twist. UBI won't make you rich. It'll keep you alive, while the people who own the AI, the ones who control the machines, they're the ones who get filthy rich. The real wealth will be in the hands of those who own and understand the technology. So what can you do? Start by educating yourself, take courses, attend workshops, and stay informed about the latest developments in AI. The more you know, the better positioned you'll be to take advantage of the opportunities that lie ahead. Collaboration will also be key. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can navigate this transition more effectively. The future of work is not just about surviving, it's about thriving in a new era of possibilities. Look, I'm all about the possibilities of AI, but we gotta be honest about the potential downsides too. AI has the power to revolutionize industries, make our lives more convenient, and even solve some of the world's most pressing problems. But with great power comes great responsibility, and there are some serious risks that we need to address. And trust me, there are some big ones. Let's talk about privacy. In a world where AI is omnipresent, our personal data is constantly being collected, analyzed, and potentially exploited. Every click, every like, every purchase is being tracked. Or should I say, the lack thereof. Imagine walking down the street, and every step you take is being monitored by surveillance cameras equipped with facial recognition technology. Your every move is being watched, recorded, and analyzed. In the age of AI, privacy as we know it might be gone. Our personal lives could become an open book, accessible to corporations, governments, and even malicious actors. The lines between public and private life are blurring. AI will know you better than your spouse, your best friend, even yourself. It will have access to your most intimate details, from your daily routines to your deepest fears and desires. This level of insight is unprecedented and can be both fascinating and terrifying. Your emotions, your secrets, your deepest desires, AI will be able to predict your next move before you even make it. It will analyze your behavior patterns, your social media activity, and even your tone of voice to anticipate your actions. And that means ads will become scarily personalized, manipulating you on a subconscious level. Companies will use AI to create highly targeted marketing campaigns that tap into your emotions and influence your decisions without you even realizing it. Think about that for a second. The power to shape your thoughts and actions lies in the hands of those who control the AI. It's a level of influence that we've never seen before, and it raises serious ethical questions. And then there are deep fakes. These AI-generated videos and audio clips are so realistic that they can easily deceive even the most discerning eyes and ears. The implications for misinformation and fraud are staggering. Imagine getting a call from your mom, her voice trembling, begging you to send money because she's in trouble. You'd do anything, right? But what if it's not actually your mom? What if it's a deepfake, an AI-generated imitation that's indistinguishable from the real thing? But here's the thing, it's not actually your mom. It's a sophisticated scam designed to exploit your trust and emotions. The potential for harm is enormous, and it's a threat that we need to take seriously. It's a deepfake, an AI-generated imitation that's indistinguishable from the real thing. By 2030, anyone's face, anyone's voice, can be faked in seconds. The technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to tell what's real and what's not. By 2030, anyone's face, anyone's voice can be faked in seconds. This means that our very identities are at risk. The potential for identity theft, fraud, and other malicious activities is immense. And if that's not scary enough, let's talk about AI wars. We're not talking about robots with lasers here, but something potentially even more dangerous: countries hacking each other's AI systems, shutting down power grids, disrupting financial markets, all with the push of a button. The stakes are incredibly high, and the consequences could be catastrophic. We're not talking about robots with lasers here, but something potentially even more dangerous: countries hacking each other's AI systems, shutting down power grids, disrupting financial markets, all with the push of a button. The stakes are incredibly high, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Imagine drone swarms attacking cities, not controlled by humans, but by AI, making life-or-death decisions in milliseconds. These autonomous weapons could change the face of warfare, making it more unpredictable and deadly. This is the dark side of AI, the stuff nobody wants to talk about, but it's real, and it's coming. We need to have these conversations now before it's too late. We need to set ethical guidelines, create regulations, and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. But it's real, and it's coming. The future of AI is both exciting and terrifying, and it's up to us to navigate this new landscape with caution and wisdom. We must be vigilant, informed, and proactive in addressing the challenges that lie ahead. Okay, so we've covered the good, the bad, and the downright scary. We've delved into the potential benefits and the looming threats of AI, and now it's time to shift our focus to something more empowering. Now let's talk about what you can do about it. It's not just about surviving in this new world, it's about thriving and making the most of the opportunities that AI presents. How do you thrive in a world run by algorithms? The answer lies in a combination of acquiring new skills, adapting your mindset, and leveraging the tools at your disposal. First things first, you need to learn the skills AI can't replicate. Start with prompt engineering. This is a crucial skill that involves crafting precise and effective prompts to guide AI systems. This is all about learning how to talk to AI, how to give it the right instructions to get the results you want. Think of it as learning a new language, one that will be indispensable in the future. Think of it like learning the language of the future. Next up, data literacy. Understanding data is fundamental because AI runs on data. AI runs on data, so you need to understand how to read it, interpret it, and use it to your advantage. This means getting comfortable with data analytics tools and techniques. But here's the most important skill of all: creativity. Creativity is the human touch that AI can't replicate. AI can crunch numbers, write code, even generate art, but it can't feel, it can't experience the world the way we do, and that's where our unique value lies. It can't understand human emotion, the way a story makes you feel, the power of a song, a painting, a film. These are deeply human experiences that AI can't replicate. That's where you come in. Your creativity, your emotional intelligence, your ability to connect with other human beings, those are your superpowers in the age of AI. Your creativity, your emotional intelligence, your ability to connect with other human beings, those are your superpowers in the age of AI. And the best part? These are skills you can start developing right now. You can start developing these skills right now. There are countless resources available to help you on this journey. There are tons of free resources online, courses, tutorials, communities. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer courses on data literacy, AI, and more. Start using AI tools today. Experiment with different platforms and applications to get a feel for how they work and how you can use them to your advantage. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, whether you're writing a story, planning a project, or brainstorming new concepts. Midjourney can create stunning visuals, perfect for presentations, marketing materials, or just exploring your creative side. There are even AI YouTube assistants that can help you edit videos like a pro, saving you time and effort while enhancing your content. The sooner you adapt, the sooner you start experimenting, the safer you'll be. Embrace the learning curve and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. But most importantly, you need a mindset shift. Stop fearing AI. Instead, see it as a powerful tool that can amplify your abilities and open up new possibilities. Start seeing it as a tool, a weapon even, that you can use to your advantage. The right mindset will empower you to harness AI's potential fully. The people who thrive in the age of AI won't be the strongest, the smartest, or even the luckiest. They'll be the ones who are willing to learn, adapt, and grow continuously. They'll be the fastest learners, the ones who are adaptable, who are willing to embrace the unknown. Flexibility and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone will be key. The future is not set in stone. It's a canvas waiting for you to paint your vision on it. It's up to you to shape it. Your actions today will determine your place in the world of tomorrow. So take charge, embrace the change, and start building your future now. Let's be real, this isn't just about tech, it's about power. In 2030, there will be two types of people, those controlled by AI and those who control it. The difference? Action. You can watch this video and worry, or you can do something today, because the future isn't coming, it's already here. So where does that leave you? AI will take jobs, but it'll also create new opportunities if you're ready. Start learning, start experimenting, and never assume your job is safe. The only real safety? Staying ahead of the curve. Constantly evolving, learning, growing. If you're not subscribed yet, do it now. Because the next video, it'll show you exactly how to make money with AI before 2030 hits. We're going deep, giving you the tools and strategies you need to not just survive, but thrive. Let's do this.